Hey y'all, it's Demi
and Parker.
And today, since it is December and Christmas, we're putting out 2 videos for you guys. And so the second video is InstaSnow.
InstaSnow powder is like, you just like, I guess put the powder in like a bowl. We have a bowl down there that you can't see. And put this stuff in the bowl with water and I guess mix it up maybe. And it makes 2 gallons of snow. And it just add water.
No waiting, no stirring or waiting.
Yep.
So I got this on Amazon. I will leave a link below. But yeah, so since it's Christmas and winter, I figure it snowed here already. Surprising, I live in Arizona and it snows.
Yeah.
But maybe it doesn't snow where you live, so you could make this. So,
fact, Santa actually got that for me. Ooh, there's the powder.
So this is what it comes with. And it just says on here, plastic can be dangerous. I don't know why there's 2. Oh, I guess to maybe save your snow. I don't know. So unwrap that.
Got 2 little cups.
You want to throw it?
Boom! We got a little plastic jar. And we got
With a container. We're not going to use a container. We're actually going to use a glass bowl. And it says to do 1 scoop and measure 2 ounces of room temperature water. Well, guess what? I suck with directions, so we're going to do it my way.
just like the crayon robot.
Yeah, that was a mess. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it below. Go ahead and check that out. It took like 2 hours to get the tin can robot together. I was literally, you can't tell in the video, but I was literally freaking out.
No
scissors.
My teeth will do it.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
So,
Okay, so
this is like sand. Yep. There it is. Just a big sugar.
oh no,
No, keep pouring, keep pouring.
can't see it.
It just expands. A little cold.
Sorry about the noise.
Outside activity. Shut up! Ooh. Oh, it's expanding. No, I think the best snow is at the bottom. Like, that is filtered.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool.
And supposedly it doesn't melt for weeks. It's like real snow.
Oh, God.
It's snowing! It's snowing!
No, just throw the whole bowl up.
Do it. And camera.
It's snowing!
It is very cold.
It's cold, boy.
It's literally like real snow. It's in my eye and it hurts pretty bad. Like this video and then go ahead and
subscribe. And also hit that bell to notify yourself in case a new video comes up.
Alright, thank you guys. Merry Christmas.